In the heart of Hyderabad's Nampally, the Dargah of Hazrat Shah Khamosh stands as more than just a shrine. It's a living symbol of unity in diversity. Built in a unique style that blends Indo-European influences, the shrine welcomes people of all faiths. With quiet prayers and shared hopes, it weaves a tapestry of togetherness. In a world often divided by boundaries, this sacred space remains a timeless haven of acceptance, compassion, and spiritual connection.
Situated in the Nampally village of India's Hyderabad city is the shrine of Sufi saint Hazrat Shah Khamosh. The Islamic structure in the region serves as a living testament to peace and communal harmony. Built in a unique blend of Indo-European architectural styles, the Dargah welcomes all with open arms. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians, anyone drawn not by ritual but by faith, hope and the desire for peace.
15 साल से आ रहा हूँ मैं 15-20 साल से सब फजल है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब काम अच्छे हुए हमारे बहुत बड़ी चीज़ क्या है बोले तो यकीदा होना जो यकीदे से आता हूँ शिफा फरमा के जरूर जाता हूँ.
Believers say nobody leave empty-handed and that all their desires are fulfilled upon coming here. And with that, the Dargah becomes a living thread in the larger fabric of Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb, a centuries-old tradition that celebrates the coexistence of Hindus and Muslims cultures in India.
शाह खामोश बिल्कुल खामोशी रहती है यहाँ पे शोर शराबा ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं और हर किस्म के लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे और बिल्कुल वाबस्ता होके जाते हैं मतलब कामयाबी होके जाते हैं.
In a world often divided by religions and cultures, the Sufi shrines bring society under one roof of humanity and brotherhood.